No one is above the law. In the heart of a vast empire, nestled among the towering mountain and lush valleys, there reigned a wicked emperor whose thirst for power knew no bounds. With an iron fist, he imposed his will upon the land, decreeing law that oppressed the villagers and stripped them of their freedom. Under the guise of order and justice, the emperor wielded his authority like a weapon, his decrees serving only to enrich himself and his inner circle, while leaving the villagers to languish in despair. Fear and resentment festered in the heart of the people, but they dared not speak out, for the emperor's wrath was swift and merciless. But as the years wore on and the burden of oppression grew even heavier, a whisper of defiance began to stir among the villagers, a flicker of hope in the darkness of tyranny. They gathered in secret, their voice trembling with determination as they plotted to overthrow the emperor and reclaim their freedom. With each sunrise, hope unfurled its wings in the heart of the villagers, igniting a fervent desire for justice and a yearning for a brighter tomorrow. Their number grew steadily, a testament to the collective determination pulsating within their souls. Every passing day saw new faces joining their ranks, drawn by the magnetic pull of a shared vision. A vision of fairness and equality reigned supreme. Caught off guard by the sudden uprising, the emperor watched in disbelief as his once submissive subject turned against him, their cries of rebellion echoing through the halls of his opulent palace. But as the tide of revolt surged ever closer, a realization dawned upon him, a trust that he had long sought to deny. For in his quest for power and domination, the emperor had forgotten the most fundamental law of all, that no one is above the law, not even the mighty ruler of an empire. As the villagers stormed the palace and the throne room lay in ruins, the emperor stood humbled before the very people he had sought to oppress. With tears streaming down his face, he knelt before his former overwhelming subject, begging for their forgiveness and vowing to atone for his sins. And in that moment of surrender, he understood that true strength lay not in the wielding of power, but in the humility to recognize one's own fallibility. From that day forth, the emperor relinquished his crown and walked among the villagers as an equal, his heart heavy with remorse, yet buoyed by the hope of redemption. And as they labored alongside his fellow citizen to rebuild their shattered community, he knew that the lesson learned in the crucible of revolution would serve as a reminder to all that no one is above the law and that true justice can only be found in the embrace of humility and compassion.